Welcome. In front of me I have GoPro Hero 9 and I'm going to show you how we can turn off this device. So we get two methods. The first one is with the voice control. So let's say GoPro turn off. GoPro turn off. And the device is turned off. So right now we are going to turn it on. And I'm going to show you the second method. So we have to basically keep and hold this button until the device turn off. And now just release. So I know it's very simple, but sometimes people need this kind of videos. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!